With great sadness, once again, the end of the pool season for 2021 has arrived. The pool dicks just left. Last year, I had the greatest experience with them. The greatest experience. The guy was awesome. He was cool. He let you do whatever you needed to do. Just everything about him was great. This year, we got, how do I explain? The guy was a young guy that didn't get laid last night. That's what it was. And the guy who filled the water bags was Indian, and his name was Nelson. Very weird. Okay. So, this is a mess. I don't care, because nobody's going to be out here, but they were looking to just get this done and get moving. So the long and short of the story was, the company I used to close the pool, last year, the owner got Calderona and passed away. But there's a landscaping place or something next door, or 2 doors down, and they sort of took over the business, which was nice. So basically it was same great people, same great service, higher prices. We'll get to that later. The other guy made nice, neat corners. They didn't replace any water bags because they didn't really need to. There were enough that were good, and that was that. And the guy who didn't get laid was the guy who did the pumps, and like I said, Nelson, the Indian guy, did the water bags. And he had the hose, which they didn't roll up this year. Well, you know, just because. Draped across the pool, that's fine. He's over there, he's filling it up. And the other guy got the new cover out, and he's getting everything all set. He's like, come on, man. And he's like, oh, no, let me finish. You know, you got one of those things. So anyway, let's go over to the pumps and see what he fucked up this time, because this can't possibly be that good. Now, he did blow the solar out. I don't know if there was necessarily a charge for that per se, but whatever. So let's see. We'll open this up. Left one breaker on, so that can be shut. See, already. Solar. Where is the thing? There we go. Okay, he turned that off. Don't know if he messed with the Julio switch. Oh, can't see. Okay, so he left the solar closed. Did put the valve in an in-between position. Didn't take out the sight glass. So I think I'll remove that. Okay, there. Washer's still in there. So he didn't take out the sight glass for no reason. That would have frozen. That's great. Let's take a look at the duct tape job. Okay, this, I don't remember which one has O-rings and which doesn't. This one he left open. It has an O-ring in it. Don't bother to tape that, but then you tape this one up. That's good. No O-ring in there. And there is an O-ring in that. So I have to match that up to the pump and make sure that that's all good. Put tape over where the gauge goes, but no tape on the bung at the bottom, because left the west skimmer open, the main drain shut. Don't know why. This is why I said with pool stuff, they tell you one thing and then everybody has a different way of doing things. Put tape on that, so there's that. Can't even, you know, it's like a half-assed job all around. So there's the plug from the chlorinator for the filter. the things. I'll put the old cover on, so I'll just leave that there for now. So I can bring that in for the winter so it doesn't cloud up. There's an O-ring not here and not here, so there should be O-rings on both, and I'm not sure there was. Not good. I just checked, all the O-rings are accounted for. Baskets, plugs for next year, I mean the jets rather. My basket of old parts and plugs and stuff there. The brick he just took from over there as a stopgap measure, but then left it here anyway, so I don't know what the hell that's about. And you can tell it's just a sloppy job, and that's not even the worst of it. Here's the bill. This used to come on dot matrix paper with the sides on it. No more of that. Like I said, it's another company. Thank you for your business, sure. So 3% service charge on old credit cards. Okay, not doing that. Pay by check. That's fine. Used to be able to go into the store, no tax. Nope, no more of that. Now you got to pay the tax. Leaf net over cover. Maybe write it in over here, and that's what the $50 was for? Never used to charge that before. So now it costs me an additional $50 plus the tax on the $50. They're getting a phone call before anything. So they ain't getting money until I find out what the hell this was. Now, like I said, they're now owned by the landscaping business a couple doors down. And I even spoke to the guy who didn't get laid, and I said, how do you feel about the new company? He's like, I don't think I'm really going to be doing this next year. Not good vibes, huh? He says, nope, not at all. I said, how do the other people who do this feel about that? Do they feel the same? He said 50-50. So they'll probably keep doing this, but not at these inflated prices. I don't know. It seems like this is a charge because I didn't get laid last night, is really what it seems like. This guy reminded me of some guy that I used to work with at Tiny Middle. He was the same demeanor. Energetic, always raring to go, and does stuff, does it for the most part right, but always leaves a few stones out of place, if you will. Another thing he did, this is all good here, but then he decided, well, over here, instead of pulling the cover like we should, let's just put it with the straps. Now, I don't think it's going anywhere, but I think leaves can get right under that, maybe? What was that really, was it that hard to just do that? And now this is a pain in the ass because the water bag is in there. That's great. And then the Indian guy saw that, so they're all through the loops on it. The sides, no, that's okay. Okay, right. Oh, now put the loop, not over here. Put the loop, but see how it's sitting on it. So I gotta go and fix that now, because there's gonna be leaves going in there. This is sort of a shortcut. That's fine. The other guy squared it out, made it look nice. And like I said, he left the damn brick here. Doesn't need to be here, so I got to go put that heavy thing back and roll up the hose now. So I want you to see how difficult this is. I didn't want to move the camera all the way back. So over here, I'm going to get the brick, take it, and I'm going to walk down over here. That's going to be $5 right there. Now the hose. Now maybe he doesn't know that I have the Hose-O-Matic 3000 that's going to roll this up. That's okay. The gnats over there. Okay, so now we take the hose, put her over here, see if the Hose-O-Matic will do it. Pull the hose clean out off the reel. I even gave him this thing to make it easier to fill up. Nope, took that right off. Let's see. I don't think it's going to work. So far, so good. This is back-breaking work right here. That's $15. So 15 plus 5, that's 20 plus tax, 35. Just shut down. So that's it. It's closed. It's not the greatest close. Didn't open the chlorinator. I don't know if you're in frame here. Can't see the screen in the sun. We'll say that's good. Okay, the tabs that were in there have dissolved. It's empty. Empty enough anyway. At least he didn't disturb any of the fittings like these on the chlorinator, and what that other dick did with the filter 1 year and the solar and all this other shit. The guy who died, who was the owner, was here once, and he is the one, he was like the total buffoon of the company, where everything he did just turned to shit. Like I said, he touched the filter connections and the solar connections and was gonna do all this. I have to be thorough. Okay, what about my universal wall fitting that you broke? You didn't say nothing about that. You're not replacing it. That's just okay. Didn't bring it up. It's $5, but he's the owner. You'd think the fucking owner would make good on his own mistakes, much less what his actual work crew does. So a sad end to the pool season. Had the pool closed today is September 29th. Last year it was on September 14, 15, something like that. So 2 weeks. I waited longer and didn't really go in the last 2 weeks. Maybe once. Yeah, it's done-ish and I got work to do still. So I'll tidy everything else up, and that is going to bring the pool season of 2021 to a close. Thank you very kindly for watching. If you like this video, make sure to click like. If you disliked it, make sure you click dislike twice. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Took me less than 1 minute to fix that. Oh, and also, could have done that right too. It's the little details like that that make for a very satisfied customer. Not terribly satisfied. And this, by the way, is just there. In fact, I'll tuck it under so it looks nicer.